Hello, I'm Dr. Bill, and this is your 5-minute micro learning. AI for good or for bad. So today I'll be talking about how AI is changing lean management, enhancing efficiency, streamlining workflows, and enabling predictive decision making. But what about the human factor? Will AI replace jobs or redefine them? Let's explore. In this first segment, we'll talk about AI's role in lean management. If you're not familiar with lean management, it's about maximizing value and minimizing waste, of which just-in-time is a tool that helps reduce inventory waste, cost, and inefficiencies, and it's often coupled with Six Sigma focused on quality and consistency. So, AI for good, we're talking about predictive maintenance, process automation, and workflow optimization. AI for transformation. Certain tasks become automated, but employees can be reskilled for higher value work. Learning and development's role in lean management here. Reskilling employees for AI-driven roles, helping employees develop needed skills to effectively work alongside AI tools, interpret AI-driven insights, adapt to enhanced workflows. Training on AI human collaboration models. Again, part of learning and development role. For example, assisting, AI assists, but humans oversee. Another role, data-driven leadership development to help managers make AI-informed decisions. So let's do some comparison. Lean before and lean with AI. So traditional lean, workers perform repetitive quality checks using inspections, physical measurements, and test samples. AI-driven lean, AI detects faster, but humans handle complex problem solving. AI may use computer vision, machine learning, and Internet of Things sensors. Traditional lean. Lean focuses on eliminating process waste to streamline operations and improve efficiency. So does AI-driven lean, but AI goes a step further and optimizes workflow in real time using predictive analytics, adapts, and optimizes automatically. Leadership uses past trends for decisions. Even in a pull system, leaders need to look at historical trends and data to help make strategic decisions. For example, capacity planning, supply chain strategy, and process and market improvements. AI-driven lean, AI provides real-time insights, but leaders must interpret and act on them. Unlike traditional lean, AI-driven lean is predictive and proactive and uses machine learning, Internet of Things, and analytics. Why does it matter? How companies can lead AI change. As learning and development professionals, our role isn't just about teaching employees new tools. It's also about helping them navigate change. AI is a powerful ally in lean, but it's up to us to empower employees with the right skills, mindsets, and leadership development to harness AI effectively. So here's some quick reflection on AI and lean in your work. Ask yourself, how can learning and development help teams enhance AI without fear? What skills should be prioritized to prepare workers for AI-driven industries? How do learners ensure AI enhances rather than replaces human expertise? So let's wrap it up. The future of lean isn't just about AI. It's about how we train, develop, and empower people to use it responsibly. AI doesn't replace people, it shifts responsibility, requiring learning and development intervention, clear roles, and best fit for an organization's people-centered vision. Not AI versus human, but AI plus human equals better lean processes. So there you have it.